This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Terry Dominguez. Spacious and beautifully updated apartment in beachfront Burleigh House, situated in desirable North Beach, boasts an inviting open floor plan with plenty of natural light, and entertainer's delight. Glorious city views, very pleasant during the day and breathtaking at night, enjoyed from every room and open terrace. Large bedroom, 2 full baths and closets galore. All impact glass, and a private storage in the hallway. Enjoy the glistening new pool, about to reopen after a major renovation, sunbathe in the expansive deck. Amenities include a gym, social room for meetings/private events, game room and more. 24/7 concierge and on-site management. Maintenance includes reserves, internet, cable and pest control. Assigned space and valet service. Exciting new projects are in the works for NoBe. For more information, review the details below or contact Terry Dominguez at 305-898-7028.